Christina. Welcome or welcome back. This is Christina's Crafts and I am in my craft room all ready to go. So stick around and check out what I'm going to make. Well, hello. I am taking this spring sign today that I just got at Dollar Tree yesterday and remaking it over. So Dollar Tree had these long wood boards. I'm going to be using that. So I'm going to snip that off of there and take this off. And then I am going to use my Truffle Waverly paint and paint the front of my board with it. So I am just going to take some of that and put a coat of it on the front and the sides. I will not be doing the back. Okay, I am going to start taking my sign apart here. So, looks like there is a ton of staples in here, but I should be able to somewhat easily get them out of here with my pliers. So, I basically bought this sign because of the letters on here. I really like the letters. And you can always use letters, that's for sure. So I am gonna get all of these off of here and take them all apart because they are gonna be used on my sign. Okay, I have my board all painted. My sign is all taken apart. Now I have this burlap that I got from, I believe it was Walmart.com. I am gonna cut out a chunk of this because I want to cover my board with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that cut out. Okay, so I am going to take my matte Mod Podge and put it on my board here, and I'm going to attach my burlap to the board. I'm basically just trying to make this sign look a little bit nicer. I don't know if I'm going to be using the bunny. I don't think that's going to work out. I was trying to see how I could incorporate it into my sign, and I just don't think that there's a good way to do that. So I think this burlap is really going to make the sign stand out. So I'm going to go ahead and get that all attached on here. Okay, I have my burlap Mod Podge on there, but now I want to stiffen this up. So I'm actually going to take my Mod Podge and I'm going to go over the top of the burlap with my Mod Podge to stiffen the fabric up. Quite dry yet. As you can see, there's a lot of white in there yet, but I'm going to go ahead and trim this down. So I'm just going to take my razor blade and go right along the edge. And leave it just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get all that trimmed up. Okay, I have my letters all on there where I want them, and now I am just going to take some hot glue and attach them onto my sign. Just like that. About how I could incorporate the bunny, and I thought about just making this like a stand to stand up in my living room and put the bunny at the top, but I just don't like the way this soft, you know, like the colors go with that. So I just don't think I'm going to use that bunny head. But what I did decide is I don't like the way how this just looks like super plain. So I'm going to take some of this rope that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm actually going to frame this. Put it around the sign, kind of make it a little bit thicker. So I'm going to go ahead and take this apart. And it's really like super fuzzy. So before I put it on my sign, I'm just going to take my lighter and burn up all those extra strands hanging off. There's quite a few of them. So I'm going to get this cut and then figure out about how much I need to go around my sign. And then I'm going to burn those little fuzzies off, and then I'm going to attach it to my sign. Okay, right now I just have my sign flipped around and I am gluing the rope to the outside. So I am just using my hot glue. I'm putting some on the edge here and just pushing it up on there and holding it. And if I do get a little gap, I just stick a little bit more hot glue in there and hold it. And it's starting to look pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and go all the way around with my rope, making sure that it's attached firmly. Okay, my sign is almost done. I think it's looking pretty nice. Sorry I can't get it all on camera here. I have this floral pick from Dollar Tree, and I actually just took some of the leaves off, and I am going to put, I think, one on the like kind of bottom here, and then one up on the top. So I'm just trying to arrange them how I think they're gonna look good. I'm thinking, I don't think that's gonna fit in there, but I think they would look best like this. I just kind of popped them off of there, and I'm thinking of how putting them like this, going down around the spring. So let me get these how I want them, and then I am going to hot glue them onto my sign. Bushel here about where I want it, so I'm going to stick some hot glue on here and stick it to my sign. And then I just want to cover this up right here, so I'm just going to cut these little guys. And I think I'm going to stick them here so you can't see that little mess that I got going on right there. I'm going to stick them right in there. And then I'm going to do that, I think, on the bottom yet too. I'm just going to look real quick to see how it's going to look, but I think that looks pretty decent. All right, it is finished. I tried to get my camera up a little bit higher, but didn't really do the best job. But yeah, it's all done. I think it turned out really cute. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video on how to remake this sign and make it just a little bit prettier and not quite so cheap looking. It would be great if you liked the video and share it, and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. Bye.